A complete guide to factory resetting Hard Reset your Samsung phone to fix various issues. The first step is to turn off the phone. We connect the cable to the mobile and then to the computer to see the charging sign. Press the power and volume up buttons at the same time. After the Samsung logo appears, release your finger from the power button. By selecting the white data factory reset option in recovery mode, a factory reset is performed. To exit recovery mode, select the Reboot System Now option. Please wait a few minutes after exiting recovery mode for the phone to reboot. Follow the instructions carefully.